Hello viewers, Mezcal here. This is just a quick update, what I've been up to lately and what I'm planning to do. This is bone ash, as it says on the bag. Obviously synthetic is not the same source as something that's come from an animal and been burnt, so no animals died in the making of this product. What I want to use it for is making some cupels to do the process of cupellation, where you would use this stuff here, lead oxide, or also known as litharge. So how that's used in a situation where you're trying to extract gold or silver, it becomes the carrier, I guess you could say. You mix it up with flour, some sort of reductive agent, so that this basically lead rust turns back into lead metal, and then it dribbles its way down through the material. And as it does that, it catches all the platinum group metals, your silver, gold, platinum, etc., and drags them to the bottom. So then you end up with lead mixed with these other metals. And then what the bone ash does is, when you've made a cupel, a little cup, you put the lead alloy that contains your good stuff in it, and put it back in the fire, and the lead will absorb into this stuff, and then you basically end up with a little cup full of lead that you dispose of, and you keep the tiny little bead of gold, which will sit high and dry inside the bottom of the cup. It's a pretty interesting subject. These two things here weren't bought for anything to do with that, but I just bought it because I was in contact with the seller, and I figured while I was paying the shipping, I may as well bump it up to the at least 3 kilo mark. I've always wanted to have some pure sodium silicate to play with. This will be fun to squeeze between some graphene sheets. The titanium dioxide I'll be using to coat onto some graphene sheets. So, very similar to the way that amorphous die panels are made, solar panels. There's a titanium layer, and if applied with say titanium and then sodium silicate, there's a place to start storing a whole bunch of electrons. It'll behave very much with a piezo effect, I'm sure. Titanium will, and so will a silicate, and a silicate in a gel liquid, even more so. Yeah, should be fun. Anyway, I'm rambling on now. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any experience with pressing out pellets of the nature that I need to make for these things, drop a comment below. I'm all ears. Basically what I've read is you mix it with a bit of flour and water, and mix it up, really small amount of water so that it doesn't go runny, and then you press it. So I'm going to have to make up some sort of form that I can squish it into. I've made rough things like this before, using plaster of Paris as the binder, but like, if I tried to cupel in that, I'd be losing gold down into the porous nature of this. This stuff did not stand up to flame at all. So although it looks the part and it works for the first go, it's really a one-time shot thing. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.